I wanted to let you all know that finally ready to offer these crossovers for sale. And what I'm going to do is, first of all, show a few of them in operation here. So the one first away from us is a 45 degree. The one closest to us is a 30 degree. And then down there between the switches is a 60 degree. So here's the plan. For anyone that wants one of these, I need you to do the following things. And I kind of went over this before, but there was some confusion, or I don't know. I need you to send me an email to AFtrainfun@gmail.com. After the last live video, I was getting text, emails all over the place, and it was really hard to keep track of who was who and what was going on. So if you're interested in a crossover, I need you to send me an email to AFtrainfun@gmail.com. I will put that link in the description after this live feed is done. And I need you to let me know what your address is and what an email address is for you. Well, you'll give me that, obviously. And then what a phone number is. So, again, to AFtrainfun@gmail.com, I need your address, your phone number, and then tell me what angle of crossover you want. And you can get more than one if you want. And your options are a 30 degree, a 45 degree, or a 60 degree. And we're going to do a special introductory offer here. So if you want to buy one, it's $50 plus shipping and handling. If you want to buy two, they're $45 a piece plus shipping and handling. And if you want to buy three, they're $40 a piece plus shipping and handling. Now, also, what I'd like to do as an introductory offer is, if you're someone who's interested in at least one of the crossovers, and you would be interested in a highway crossing, and I have both the straight and the curved. I don't know if you saw them here or not, but there's a curve, and that back behind the terminal building is a straight. And as you can see, I've got the Challenger going through the curve, so it'll handle any long wheelbase. But during this introductory period, if you order one of the crossovers, a 30 degree, 45 degree, or 60 degree, and you're interested in a highway crossing, either a straight or a curved one or the other, then I will let you get those at a special introductory price of $20. Okay, so that's $20 for one straight railroad road crossing or one curved road crossing. Again, it's just one or the other for $20, and that's kind of a special promo that we're going to do along with the discounted bundles, if you will. So just to recap again, send an email to AFtrainfun@gmail.com. I need your mailing address and your phone number. And then I need you to tell me what angle of crossover you want, 30, 45, or 60. And then if you would like a highway crossing, and that's either the straight or the curved, those are $20 a piece as a bundle. And we'll do limit one on those. If you want to do more than that, then they're $25 a piece. Okay? So I hope that's clear. Thanks for tuning in today. And I'll look forward to hearing from you all. And as soon as we get these orders in, we'll start the manufacturing process and get them out to you, and you'll have them as soon as you want. Now, the last thing I want to mention is if your plan is to do a crossover. So a crossover meaning this kind of an operation. you can see here I've got extensions because my two loops are far enough apart that I needed to spread it out. But if you want to have a crossover where your switches are as close physically as possible, I did some testing on this, and basically the switches would go up, right up against this. That's about as close with the bodies of the switch. That's as close as they can get. So if you're wanting a crossover, this is a 60 degree, and your plan is to use it for switches to do this kind of a crossing pattern, and you want to get your switches as close as possible, then when you say I want a 60 degree, tell me I want a 60 degree short. And what I'll do is I'll only make the rail the same length as the body. And that'll allow you to get your switches closer together, and overall it'll be, obviously your loops will be close together that way. So hopefully that's not too confusing. If it is, send me an email and let me know, and I'll do my best to answer your questions. All right, let me go over this just one more time. I'm sorry to be redundant, but like I said, last time I thought I was clear, and apparently I wasn't. So one more time, if you're interested in a 30, a 45, or a 60 degree rail crossover, I need you to send me an email to AFtrainfun@gmail.com. And we're going to do a special introductory bundle. All right. So if you're interested in one, it's $50. If you're interested in two, it's $45 a piece plus shipping and handling. If you're interested in three or more, then it's $40 a piece. Also, in addition to that, limit one, for $20 additional, you can have either a straight or a curved road crossing. And again, if that's not clear, please email me at aftrainfun@gmail.com. And if I haven't answered your question, feel free to email me, and I will do my best to answer those for you. And we've been testing these things, and they're working really good. I think I got all the bugs worked out of them. Let me just try to zoom in here. You can see that they have a live center section that's powered, and I've run all different types of steam and diesel through them, and had success with it, going slow. I was having some power issues with previous generations of these, but I think we got all that worked out. All right. Before I cut this thing off, is there anyone who's on right now that has any questions for me? And I also just want to once again apologize. I don't understand for the life of me why I couldn't get logged on using the other, promo on YouTube, but it just would not let me. All right, Ethan, what's your question? All right, thank you. And for those of you that aren't aware, Flyer made a 90-degree crossover, and that's all they ever made. And at some point in the recent past, I don't know, it was 20 or 30 years ago, somebody made, I think it was a 60-degree crossover, and they used some sort of a pouring epoxy kind of thing. I've seen one or two of them, and they look really good, and I think they work really good. But whoever it was that made them either has passed away, quit making them, no one seems to know. And so kind of out of desperation, I started, it's been about 9 months ago now, started experimenting with some different processes to try and make these crossovers because I needed them for my layout. So long story short, these are a combination of 3D printing and standard American Flyer rail. And I jumper all the different pieces, soldering wire and jumpers on the back side. So everything's got electrical connection. All right. Ethan, you're asking how many trains on my layout. Well, I can run up to 4 at once. So I have four different circuits, which we were running a little bit earlier. But that was kind of to just show how well these crossovers work. Good question. Okay, is there anyone else with questions? If not, I'm sure you're all busy, so I will let you go. But please contact me at AFtrainfun if you have any questions. And until next time, take care. God bless. Enjoy your trains. We'll see you. Have fun.